Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2022 Isuzu D-MAX SX single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5297. The shape runs from the 7th 21 and is the current shape. It has an RZ 4E 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. RZ 4E 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. With the left front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Factory alloy tray supplied with all fittings. Tidy rear bumper bar. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy, factory steel mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black clock interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.